Hey, welcome guys. Just wanted to put together a quick video intro for the day. I apologize if you hear a lot of chirping in the background. It's springtime and we've got baby chicks and ducks and they are ready for breakfast. Um, but today I just put together some videos for you guys to take notes on, add to your notes. And then there's a quick designing a buffer solution activity. The website's not super user friendly. I don't have like a student guide for it. It's kind of a trial and error kind of thing. I don't want you to spend hours and hours and hours on it. If you get into it and just play with it. Don't have that sort of paralysis by analysis kind of thing. Get into it. Add some solutions, add some different chemicals, and see what you can get, and then maybe start to think about it a little bit more and problem solve why what you guessed didn't work. I really don't expect you to be able to attack it with much more, I guess, intentionality than that because, like I said, I don't have a student sheet for you. The one thing I almost forgot to mention this one additional thing at the very bottom of today's Canvas page, you'll see an e-learning feedback form. Please submit that through Google Forms. I need to know what's working for you and what's not working for you. So I've done this e-learning thing at another school, but it's a completely different ball of wax when you've got all your classes online. It's just a different thing. So I need to know from you guys specifically what's working for you and what's not. So, please be respectful. I'm doing my best to get you high quality content remotely. But I definitely, I'm not too proud to receive feedback, so I know that I can always do things better. So please let me know what's working for you and what's not on that form. So good luck. Pretty light day today, so have a great day, and I will talk with you soon.